To enable the battery saver on the Xiaomi 17, all you have to do is you need to go to settings and then scroll down in here in order to find the battery option. Now in here we can find the current mode option, and in here we can decide if you want to use the battery saver or maybe even the ultra battery saver. No matter which one you choose, of course you get an information about each of these options, and then you can confirm that you want to use them. Besides that, once you enable the battery saver, we can also access the battery saver settings, where we can find some additional options that you might want to manage. Also, the battery saver can be toggled via control center. And actually, by default, the battery saver is already placed in here, so you can tap on this button in order to turn it on or turn it off. If you don't have it for some reason, you can of course edit the control center and add the battery saver button into the control center quite easily. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.